Welcome to our annual Grade 3 Celebratory Assembly.
Our theme this year is Superheroes Hall of Fame.
Each child was nominated by their peer to receive an award in one of 7 categories.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy celebrating every child's achievements.
Our first group of heroes are the I Care heroes. They are kind, caring, respectful and helpful. Sasha Huber, Alula Skumon, Eden Saya, Isabella Phillips, Jessica Redding, Robin Pierce, Mila Norki, Lisa Herbst, Hannah Hansen Bennett, Bian Reynak, Ninka Barnard, Caleb van Niekerk, Sky Setskoon. The Bundu Bashers are our eco-heroes who have a love for the great outdoors, recycling and are nature-wise. Ethan Bouvet, Matthew Martin, Reese De Beer, Ditlin Furness, William Hendry, Alex Williams, Luca Weston, Thomas Smut, Isabella Young. The reading heroes have a superpower of devouring books. Angela Scott, Kerry Hemmel, Emma Dordeo,
Jenna Stribble, Siobhan Kennedy, Isabella Downey, Farah Adio Moses, Ryan Friesen,
Julia Randall, Esther Jones.
Our fourth group of heroes are the public speakers. They are not afraid to stand up and address an audience.
Sadie Geard, Rosie Bresler, Jessica Bailey, Merrick Middleton, Raquel Castana, Caitlin Swats, Leandro Gattino, Sia Temba Nchokama, Alice Greef, Grant van der Merwe, Michael Thijs.
Well done to our public speaking heroes.
Sport is the name of the game for these heroes. The superpower is hand-eye coordination.
Grace Burgess,
Nicholas Williams,
Yvonne Holsthausen,
Valentine Bingold,
and Kylie Grant.
Stories and marvelous adventures are the superpowers of these superheroes.
Tandy Dietrich,
Erica Manson Combrick,
William Hilton,
Daniela Francis,
Emma Leahy,
Tayden Nadu,
Ada Wellman,
Isabella Dolby,
and Aidan Actigan.
Numbers and operations are no problem for this group of maths heroes. Jean van Sale, Amber Gans, Mohammed Kofi, Christian Miller, Nazli Pastana, Elisa Woodman, Lucas Fullen, Megan Chandler, Cameron Morgan Evans, Kristen Francis. Let's give a big round of applause to all our Grade 3 superheroes. And let's not forget our superhero teacher team. Thank you Mrs. Digavea, Mrs. Frost and Miss Abdullah.
Well done, superheroes. Your talents and superpowers have been used wisely this year.
You have overcome many challenges and faced many obstacles.
May you continue to grow and increase your powers in years to come.